In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy XRP using the Phantom wallet. This process is simple and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open the Phantom application on your device. Once you have it open, make sure to log into your account with the correct credentials. Being logged in is crucial to ensure that you have access to your wallet and can proceed with making transactions. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the home page of your Phantom wallet. Here, you'll see a clear overview of your balance and any tokens you currently hold. This is the primary dashboard where you'll manage your digital assets. Phantom Wallet provides 4 essential features to engage with: receive, send, swap, and buy. These functions allow you to manage your cryptocurrencies effectively. Now, if you try to buy XRP directly by clicking the Buy button and searching for XRP, you might notice that you can't find XRP listed there. This is because XRP isn't directly supported for purchase within the Phantom wallet. But don't worry, there is a way around this limitation. To buy XRP, you'll need to use a third-party trading site, and for our process today, we'll be using a platform known as Jupiter. Jupiter integrates seamlessly with your wallet to allow these additional transactions. Here's how you do it. On the home page, move your cursor to the search bar and type in Jupiter. Click on it once it appears. Jupiter will facilitate your ability to search for and purchase XRP, making the process smooth and efficient. Once Jupiter is open, you can go ahead and search for XRP directly within their interface. Enter XRP in the search box and, once it appears in the results, click it to proceed. Next, enter the amount of XRP you wish to buy. Ensure the amount aligns with your budget and transaction goals. After entering the amount, you'll need to confirm your transaction. Double-check this amount and any potential fees before you finalize the purchase to avoid any unwanted errors. A critical part of the buying process is making sure you have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transaction. If you try to buy XRP without enough funds, it will show an error indicating insufficient SOL, which is needed to cover transaction fees. Always ensure your Phantom wallet is adequately funded before initiating a purchase. This step-by-step approach ensures that you navigate through the process of purchasing XRP using a Phantom wallet without any unnecessary hiccups. Stay tuned for more guides to help enhance your cryptocurrency management skills. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your transaction endeavors.